Can you believe that this playhouse is just under $35? I made it for my daughter's birthday as a birthday present. And hello, welcome to my channel. Let me teach you how to make it. I use this canvas drop cloth and only one piece of this 9-piece bundle of felt, and also a few colors from this colorful masking tape and a few basic tools. So first thing first, roll it out. While doing it, I quickly realized that it was too wrinkled, so I put it into the washer and then I tumble dried it. Make sure when you take it out from the washer it's a little bit damp, then tumble dry it for about 15 minutes. And I also have wrinkle care, so I turned that option on as well, and then I took it out. So it was much better than initially how wrinkled it was. It's still not very smooth, but I was not looking for that kind of finish anyway. So now I'm checking the size to make sure it covers the entire table. And here I'm making the corner. I'm doing it on all 4 sides. In a second I will show you from the close-up why I'm doing it. And to do that, I'm using my stitch gun. By the way, I will be linking all the tools, all the supplies in the description below, so don't worry about that. This is the stitch gun, and I'm making these corners so that the drop cloth, it just doesn't slip off because kids will play inside, so it will keep it in place. Now I'm marking a door opening right here. So I'm marking a door which is about 16 to 18 inches wide so that kids can easily go in and out. And after that, I pull the cloth on top of the table so that I can draw the straight lines and do the rest of the work. So here I'm using my straight edge and a basic Sharpie to trace out the lines that I was marking. And here I'm making a window. Window size is 12 inches by 12 inches. Door size was 16 inches wide, and I'm not sure how high. You can just eyeball it. And here I started putting the masking tape. My daughter's favorite color is purple, so I'm using this purple color right here. What I'm doing is I'm just putting the masking tape, and now here I'm doing the middle frame of the window so that I can cut out the window panes so that it looks like a window and kids can see through it. After putting the masking tape onto the window side, I started on the door. So on the door, my plan is to do 2 colors because I'm extra. So I'm using the purple and pink right here to give it more definition. And here I started cutting. Use a simple scissor, it's very easy to cut. Make sure you only cut the left side and the right side of the door and keep the top of the door intact. I'll show you in a minute why I'm saying this. We don't have to cut the whole door. After cutting the door, I moved towards the window, and for the window, I'm using my cutting blade instead of the scissors so that I can get more smoother, straight lines. By the way, instead of masking tape, you can also use paint to define these windows. I chose this colorful masking tape for 2 reasons. Number 1, it's more defined, more cleaner edges, and number 2 is that it's removable. So whenever I try to change the theme of this playhouse, I can easily remove this color and put on another color. And also I'm making just 2 windows. You can add 2 windows at the back of the house. So the next step is entirely optional, but if you know me, you must know that I love adding details. So this is a windowsill that I'm making out of felt. It came in a pack of 9, and I'm just using 1. Again, I'm using black masking tape to give it like cleaner edges, and I'm just freehandly drawing some bricks using a black Sharpie. And then instead of using glue or any other permanent method, I'm going to use a double-sided tape and some of the stitches from my stitch gun to keep it in place, because as I mentioned earlier, I am planning to use this playhouse with different themes throughout the year, so it will be easier to just remove all these colors and add newer colors. And now it's time to add some details to the door so that my kids can easily open and close it. Super easy to do. Make a loop out of a ribbon, whatever ribbon you have, and use the same masking tape. Make sure you have 2 loops, and then use something substantial like a felt piece. I have these butterflies. I just wanted to add a little bit more detail, and I'm using my stitch gun to put them in place. And you just roll the door up here, get the loop and put it on the wings of the butterfly, and it will hold it up. Remember the windowsill that I made? So these flowers will go in there, and these are from dollar store. I spent maybe like $3-4 on these, and I'm just going to add in here. It's all in details, guys. Be creative, add in your personality. This playhouse is such a fun project. Now I'm adding some of their toys, a dog, some plants, and I did something else, which is peeking through the windows and the door. Did you guys see? I added those fairy lights as well. And what do you guys think? Will my daughters, will they like it? They both are in school right now. They have zero idea that I have created this for them. They have no clue. What do you guys think? Will they like it? And also let me know your feedback, any questions you have in the comment section below. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. And I will share my daughter's reaction in the next video. Till then, bye bye.